Whether or not you think the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the best phone of 2024 is totally up to you, but one thing most people can agree on is that it has the best screens on any smartphone. The anti-reflective display technology on the S24 Ultra is a total game changer. But here's the kicker. Samsung's gearing up to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra even better. Word on the street is they're packing a more powerful second-gen anti-glare screen. Now, while the S25 Ultra is rumored to keep the same 6.8-inch screen size as its predecessor and still use that M13 material, it's expected to be way more durable and cut down on reflections even further. The S24 Ultra already impresses with Corning Gorilla Armor, which is tough, scratch-resistant, and cuts down on reflections by a solid 75%. That means you can enjoy your screen even on those super sunny days without dealing with annoying glare. But according to the legendary leaker Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will take it up a notch with second-gen Gorilla Armor glass. This new glass is supposed to be even tougher and better at reducing glare and scratches. The first-gen Gorilla Armor was a massive improvement, but this second-gen stuff, it's going to take that experience to the next level. And get this upgraded glass will reportedly be exclusive to the S25 Ultra. That means Google and Apple will be left behind when it comes to top-tier screen tech. Fingers crossed the coating on the S25 Ultra screen holds up better than the one on the S24 Ultra, which has had some issues after just a year of use. As for when you can get your hands on it, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to drop on January 22, with sales kicking off on February 4. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature sleek, rounded corners, slim bezels, flat sides, a new 50-megapixels ultra-wide camera, and up to 16 gigs of RAM. And of course, it'll be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Samsung will probably throw in some cool new AI features too, though let's be honest, most of us aren't exactly jumping out of our seats for that. Hardware-wise, it might not seem like a huge leap, but the updated One UI 7 interface might just make you forget about that. So, are you guys pumped for the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup? Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.